Yo, Sakafet, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to create modern dancehall beat in FL Studio 24. Not old school dancehall, modern dancehall instrumental. For those of you who are gonna comment to my comment and say this is not dancehall because I didn't create an old school dancehall, get out of here. Just get out of here. So let's have some fun. Set our tempo. Let's go with 100. The idea is to create a sample, like I create the whole melody line, and then after I can create the drum. So let's add our first instrument, which is gonna be I think I'm gonna go with the additive key. I love this instrument, has a lot of good preset in it. So I'm gonna go with an E piano, but for this one I wanna use this preset right there. You just use only the white note on your keyboard. Combine it with sky key just to make the composition sound bigger. I'm gonna use the preset that I saved called smooth pad. We copy this. Sorry, I just replace it by. Sorry, let me just add the additive key. Sorry guys. And then use the Mark 1. And then lounge. Okay, I'll just copy this. That sounds very good. The next thing is going to be adding some synth bass. I am going to use this synth bass that I really love from Omnisphere, which is the Gular bass. We just copy the low note and then we go to the cooler bass and then we pass it right here. I want the bass to be bigger too, and I am going to use a sub bass to layer underneath of the synth bass that I have. Let's use this Samy bass. Command C, Command V. I think I wanna take this and then pass it there too. That sounds very nice. Now the next thing is going to complete the melody. I think I wanna add some vocal chop. There's different way you can add your vocal chop. You can load a vocal chop and then chop it into slices and then you create a melody with it. I'm gonna go to splice and then try to find a nice sounding vocal chop, and then I will try to chop it. I find a crazy vocal and also some EKG. So let's make sure that we place the EKG first. Remember, we use only the white note. That means we're on the key of C major. That means we transpose 1 2 because we're on B flat 1 2. We'll put this one only. These 2 bars. 1 bar, and this one we can place it here. We're on G sharp minor, and remember we are on A minor, our chord. So I am going to add those into some crazy reverb. And then let's see this. Okay, now the vocal chop, D sharp minor, that means we are going to transpose 1 2 3 4 5. We're on D sharp 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 700. Oh, now it's going to be 600. So now let's see. We could have chopped this into slices, but I think I can chop it here on my playlist. I think I don't want this part right there. Maybe we chop it here. Okay, maybe we chop it here. We delete those and then we transpose this. We take this one here and then we have it. Okay, now we have. Okay, we add it into the same river. Nice. Okay, now I wanna add my gold particle. That sounds crazy. I think I wanna add maybe let's say that we add another key just to create a melody on top of it. Let's go to the studio grain. I might use the last preset. We add it in the same reverb. That's a fire melody. I love it. Sound crazy. Okay, now it's time to add the drum, or maybe we can try to transpose what we have to 2 semitone. Let's say that we do that to see how it's going to sound. Let's use the sound shifter stereo. Okay, let's transpose maybe -2. That sounds crazy. Okay, let me just create the drum and then after we can decide if we are going to transpose it 2 semitone down. Let's use this one. And also we want something to be in between of everything, but also I want a clap. I go to fire, clap. And then we add this. It's just simple like that. And then the same thing again. And then we do the same thing over again. So a pretty simple pattern. Add something to bring more vibe to the drum that we already have. So I think I'm gonna go to find some. I think I have a percussion called filtered. Okay, we can try to create something with that. We can maybe go to 1-2 step and then we create something in there. And now we can add some hi-hat and also some crash, some open hat. Something simple like that. And now we're trying to find an open hat. I'm gonna go to the one and then I think I'm gonna use this one instead. Okay, let's try this. Okay, I think this right there we can do something different, like okay, like maybe like that. So okay, we can do something with the hi-hat in there. Maybe we go down. Okay, now let's listen to how we are. Okay, I think I am going to add a crash. Okay, let's use this and then we chop it here. Okay, I think now we can add an 808 bass. I'm gonna go with this one. I know this always sound nice. Normally when you create those modern dancehall, you can try to implement some trap element in it. That's what makes them sound very perfect and modern. Let's start with the low note. Okay, now we add those to see how it sounds. If we have it like I want the silver to be a little bit longer. That sounds crazy, guys. This is how you make modern and simple dancehall instrumentals. But one thing we can definitely do is like to go with the pitch shifter, and then we can pitch it up or down. Right now it sounds very crazy. So let me know in the comment section if you prefer the version, this one, or this one with the sound shifter. I'm going to go off camera, make the arrangement, little mixing, and drop it on my instrumental channel. That means 1 hour or 2 hours after I drop this tutorial, the beat will be available on my instrumental channel. I will make sure to link it in the description box. So yeah, that's it guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.